There are a number of key points to keep in mind in order to export your design from Vectorworks into Vision. First, any object whose class or layer is set to invisible will not export to Vision. Next, it's important to remember that we set a fixture mode before exporting to Vision. This can vary depending upon the fixture, but make sure you're using the fixture mode that you plan to use in your show. If you don't see the fixture mode that you're looking for, you can browse to the Other panel, which will bring up the Vision Fixtures menu, where you can browse via manufacturer or type. This is mostly useful when you're using a non-Vectorworks symbol that doesn't already have a set of modes populated. There are two ways to export your scene into Vision. The first being File, Export, Export ESC. This will create a .esc file, which can be directly opened within Vision. The second is File, Send to Vision. This will export the file, open Vision, and load that file all in one action. Before we export to Vision, it's important that we tell Vision which terminology we're using for addressing. In this example, we're using Universe and the Channel field to address our fixtures. We need to let Vision know that that's where it needs to look for address information. We can find that in File, Document Settings, Spotlight Preferences. Then under Lighting Device, click Edit Vision Data Mapping. This will bring up the Vision Data Mapping window. Here on the left, we can see what fields are going to show up in Vision, and then which fields we're targeting from the Object Info palette. This can be confusing if you use different terminology from others. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that Universe is set to Universe, and that Channel is set to Channel. You may prefer to use Address or even Dimmer, but it should be decided now. For the name, we'll be using Unit Number, as we've already filled in the name of the fixture in the Unit Number field in the Object Info palette. Then click OK, and click OK one more time. Now we can export to Vision. Once you open your file in Vision, you can go to Window, Patch, and the Patch window will appear, or use Shift-Control-P, which will show you that Universe and Channel have been imported properly due to the changes we made in Edit Vision Data Mapping.